learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係林子球 Joseph Lin. And this month, it's the month of December. It gets cold, so it's all about, oh, it's so cold. 好冷哦。
很冷哦。
很冷哦。Sometimes it may not be that cold outside, but if you're wet, if you're soaking wet after a rain, and you get soaked, of course it's going to feel even colder, right? 所以我们今天就来描述一个就是被雨淋到湿哒哒的感觉好了。
OK，
好不好？ Let's all get wet together. 怎么全身湿哒哒的 ？Why are you so wet?
用杯一身湿哒哒呗。
用杯一身湿哒哒呗。
对啊，尤其在骂小孩子，你搞什么啊？用杯一身湿哒哒呗。
一身湿哒哒的意思
对
对不对？
有时候他们是玩水啊。
Oh, I like that term right there. 湿哒哒呗 That means so wet, right? Why is your whole body so wet? Okay, 那因为是外面下大雨啊，淋到了嘛，对不对？所以要回答下大雨好冷哦。
落太意。
落太意。
很冷哦。
很冷哦。OK, 落太意就是下大雨。OK, it's
那
big pouring rain out there.
海陆腔的下大雨又不一样。
OK
落太水。
哦，落太水，以前好像有教过雨哈，两种不一样的腔调，就一个是雨，一个是水，对。In a different dialect, it actually uses the word water for a rain. Okay, 落太意 or 落太水。Are two different ways of saying that. And finally, if you're back home, you're soaking wet, you should go take a warm shower, right? 快去冲个热水澡吧。
隔去用
隔去用
小水
小水
洗身。
洗身哦，好多 s 的声音哦。因为小水就是
热水，
热水，对不对？小水 that's hot water.
洗身。
洗身体。
对。
洗身 OK.
洗身体就会像那个
真的都是 S 的声音。
对，所以呢，隔去用小水洗身。
隔去用小水洗身。Oh, that means go hurry up and take a warm shower right now. Let's review some of these vocab right here, such as 湿哒哒 that means so wet.
湿哒哒呗。
湿哒哒呗 And then a huge pouring rain out there, 下大雨。
落太意。
落太意 And then 热水澡了。
小水洗身。
小水洗身 Okay, which means hot water to wash your body. Right. It's all about being cold, and so that is 好冷哦。
很冷哦。
很冷哦 And when you're cold, get a warm shower. All right, that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.